So from thermodynamic first equation dq equal to du plus pdv. From thermodynamic second equation dq equal to tds. From these two equations and du equal to tds minus pdv. So here we have to consider x and y as any two independent variables out of the pressure, volume, temperature, and internal energy and entropy. So from these we have to substitute du value and ds value and dv value with respect to x and y. With respect to x and y. So here u with respect to x and y. Next s with respect to x and y. So ds equal to dou s by dou x at constant y into dx plus dou s by dou y at constant x into dv. And v value dv equal to, we can write v with respect to x at constant y into dx plus dou v by dou y at constant x into dy. So substitute du comma ds comma dv values in this equation. Du comma ds comma dv values in this equation. Then we get, so here u with respect to x and y substitute in this place, and ds value. What is the ds value? S with respect to x and y, and dv value. What is the dv value? V with respect to x and y. So substitute these three equations. These three equations in third equation we get. So what is the du? U with respect to x and y. That means dou u by dou x at constant y into dx plus dou u by dou y at constant x into dy equal to t as this. Ds means dou x by dou x at constant y into dx plus t into dou s by dou y at constant x into dy minus p as this minus p into dv means u dou u by dou v by dou x at constant y into dx minus p into dou v by dou y at constant x into dy. So this is, we get equation. So from this equation, this represent an identity, hence equating the coefficients of dx and dy. Equating, here we have dx, here we have dy, here dx dy, dx dy. So comparing coefficients, dou u by dou x at constant y equal to t into dou s by, so here I'm writing dx coefficients. So left side value dou u by dou x at constant y equal to t into dou s by dou x at a constant y minus this value p into dou v by dou x at a constant y into dx. Next, so dy coefficients dou u by dou y at a constant x equal to t into dou s by dou y at constant x minus p into dou v by dou y at constant x. So this is dou u by dou x value, this is dou u by dou y value. Already we know that from partial equation, from partial definition differentiation, dou square u by dou x dou y equal to dou square u by dou y dou x. From partial differentiation, we can write dou square u by dou x dou y equal to dou square u by dou y dou x. So here u with respect to x and here u with respect to y. So then again this value with respect to y and this value again differentiate with respect to x. Then we get this condition. So here dou u by dou x, this value differentiate with respect to y. So dou square u by dou y into dou x equal to, so here t with differentiate with respect to y at a constant x u v differentiation into dou s by dou x at a constant y plus t as this So u into v differentiation plus v into u differentiation. So t constant, next to dou square s by dou y dou x. So minus u differentiation with respect to y. That means dou p by dou y, dou p by dou y at constant x. Same this value dou v by dou x at constant y minus p constant. So dou square v by dou y dou x at constant y. No need to y. Next, so this equation already here differentiation with respect to y completed. Again differentiate with respect to x. That means dou square u by dou x into dou y equal to uv differentiation. Here also uv differentiation. Then we get dou t by dou x, dou t by dou x at constant y into dou s by dou y at constant x plus t into dou square s by dou x into dou y minus dou p by dou x at constant y, dou v by dou y, dou p by dou y at constant x minus p into dou square v by dou x into dou v. So this equation differentiate with respect to y and this equation differentiate with respect to x. So here we get uv differentiation. Here also uv differentiation, uv differentiation, uv differentiation. So from partial differentiation condition, dou square u by dou x into dou y equal to dou square u by dou y dou x. So from partial differentiation equation, here du is a perfect differentiation. That is where du changes with x first and then with y, or y first and then x. Then we can write dou square u by dou x into dou y equal to dou square u by dou y into dou x, and dou square s by dou x into dou y equal to, we can write dou square s by dou y into dou x, and dou square v by dou y dou x equal to dou square v by dou x into dou y. So substitute all possible values in this equation. So we have to equate these two equations. We have to equate these two equations. Then we get dou t by, we get dou t by dou y at a constant x, dou t by dou y at a constant x into dou s by dou x at a constant y. So here both sides same values, both sides get cancelled. Next minus dou p by dou y at a constant x into dou v by dou x at a constant y. Equating these two equations. Equating these two equations. Then so this value get cancelled. Next here I am writing only this term and next this term. So next here both the terms are same. Next remaining terms equal to dou t by dou x at a constant y. So dou s by dou y at a constant x minus this term minus dou p by dou x at a constant y into dou v by dou y at a constant x. So from this equation, when substitute some variables in x comma y places, here we have with respect to x and y. So in x and y places, we have to substitute variables like pressure, volume, temperature, and entropy. Then we get four Maxwell equations. For first thermodynamic Maxwell equation, and second thermodynamic Maxwell equation, and third Maxwell equation, and fourth Maxwell equation with using variables peak, pressure, comma, volume, comma, temperature, and entropy. When we substitute in x and y places with using this equation, with using this equation.